and hope you're well. Welcome to today's video. So today I thought we'd go through the swatches of the BareMinerals liquid lips. They are called BareMinerals Lasting Matte Liquid Lip, and I just thought we'd go through the shades and I'll swatch them. First of all, the formula of these are so smooth and creamy and dreamy, and they glide on the lips. You don't get that kind of stuck feeling, and they stain the lips. So even if it wears off, you're left with this nice stain. Now, the shades that I have got, I showed you before, are quite dark. So I'm gonna start off with the really reds down to the browns, just so you can have a look at the shades that they have. So the first shade I picked up, I wore this. I think I wore this on Valentine's Day actually, and it was a really nice red. This is the shade Royal. Now, I don't know how I'm gonna swatch these. Should I do this? Should I do it like that? Cause yeah. Okay, Royal. This is what I would call a cherries in the snow red. It's beautiful. It's a really bright raspberry red that it doesn't look like this type of red in the packaging, but on my hand you can see it's that gorgeous raspberry red, that modern red. I really like it. It's a lovely red. You know, it's not 80s red, it's a modern red. Okay, so that's called Royal. Then we have a more sort of oxblood, and this is called Passionate. And this is more so, like I said, oxblood. I'm gonna put it next to, oh, this, some of you are gonna love this. Look at that. That's what it is, oxblood. These smell lovely. That's that one there, oxblood. So you've got Royal and oxblood. This is going to be beautiful in the autumn. Now we're moving, so you can see the difference there. They're kind of tones. Now we're moving on to more sort of mauvey shades. And this one here is called Vivacious. And that's more of a berry tone. So you can see the varying tones. That's more of a mulberry. Is that a mulberry or a cranberry? Yeah, that kind of tone. Again, beautiful for autumn. That's Vivacious. Then we go into sort of more like a brown tone red, brick red maybe, and this is called Spirited. I'm quite liking swatching these because I haven't swatched them myself. Oh, this one's nice. This is much lighter than what it looks like in the tube. Look, that's Spirited. Why have I not put it in a straight line? So that's more of a strawberry red. In fact, should we put this one on? Because this looks really dark in the tube. This is called Spirited. This is what I would call a strawberry. Let's not shake, Shaz, because I had a coffee. Oh, that's lovely. Isn't that lovely? Look at that. This is a nice summer spring tone. If you're just wearing like a pair of jeans and a white t-shirt, this is very nice. The formula is like nothing I've tried before. It's so smoothing. It almost smooths out your lips, which is unheard of with a liquid lip. But that's gorgeous. That's called Spirited. Okay, let's try and get this in a straight line. Then we're going to go more pink, And this is called Mighty, and this is what I was wearing in my video yesterday. Okay. Put it in a straight line, Shaz. Straight line. Right. So here was our more mauvey tone. Do you know what I like about this one here? It's quite bright. It's that really nice bright lip. It's for summer, it's lovely. Okay, now we've got the last two, which is the browns. So these are the two brownie ones. And we're gonna go in with Determined. So completely different color shades, and this is, you see that's really dark brown. So for me, that's a bit unwearable, unless you're gonna put like a lighter color on top. Then the last one is Brave, and this I've tried before as well. And it's a different tone to that one. I've really gone skew whiff with that one, haven't I? But those are the shades of them. If you are looking for a liquid lipstick, they've got more shades, then I would highly recommend these. They are just amazing. They're so comfortable. They don't feel drying or anything like that, and they last all day. I just put lip balm over the top when when they start to wear off, and you get a lovely stain. Okay, the last couple of things is the lip liner, and this is the lip liner in, what does that say? Treasured Red. And look at that. But just look, I'm not even pressing, and that's just like, it's so creamy dreamy. So these lip liners, I want to try some more. These are all in the Mineralist range. This is beautiful, really nice. Then I've got two glosses. These are the Mineralist glosses in Vision and Warmth. So Vision is like a smooth creamy pink. A bubblegum pink. That's lovely, isn't that? Isn't that lovely? And then we've got Warmth, which matches the Warmth bronzer, and it's got little gold sparkles in it. So let's pop that here. Oh, you're gonna love this. Look at this. Look at that. Isn't that lovely for summer when you've got a tan? So there you have it. Your liquid lips, two glosses and a lip liner. I say give them a go because they're really nice. I love them, absolutely love them. I'm sure there's a shade for you. Let me know down below which is your favourite. And some of you lovely lot have recommended other shades to me, some lighter shades, which I have to try because I need to replace my Too Faced one, because that's just, they're not even doing the melted mattes anymore, but I'm happy to replace them with these if I can get a shade that's similar, like a nudie sort of one. Because a liquid lip is the most easiest lip to wear. It just stays on all day. If you're like me, and whenever you go out, you always pick the most messiest thing to eat. A burger, a sandwich, whatever. And I always get lipstick on my chin. But when I wear a liquid lip, I never get lipstick on my chin. It just sticks. Doesn't get on your coffee cup or anything like that. So I highly recommend. So there we are. Hope you enjoyed that. I shall see you in my next video. Let's do a little get ready with me. A little makeup and a little chit chat. Yeah, let's have a coffee and a chat and a bit of a makeup, all right? I hope you're having a great day, and I'll chat to you soon. Bye.